What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You ever think that you are actually driving one of the most talked about, hated on cars in America? I got stuff sliding around here. I got to clean my car, guys. That's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm on my way to do. But first, I'm about to get me some coffee. But I was just thinking, man, as I look through YouTube, I'm like, wow. Hellcat, Scatpacks, 300s, just Mopar in general. It's just amazing how much these cars are talked about in a positive and negative way. And you know, lately in my videos I've been talking about this, but it just amazes me how much criticism these cars get, and it really hasn't stopped anything. Just think about it. Just think about your real life interactions with people when they see your cars. Not what people talking about on YouTube. I'm talking about, I'm going the wrong way. Not these videos where they're just constantly talking about the dealership, you know, constantly talking about Stellantis. I'm talking about the people that you actually meet in person when they see your car, or when you're at a stoplight. Most of the interactions I get are positive. People really really admire these cars, and it's just unfortunate that we get so much negative publicity. There's so much negativity surrounding these cars. And I was just thinking about that today, guys. I'm on my way now to get me some coffee, and I just decided to turn the camera on, guys. I just want to say thank you for everybody that's watching my videos. You know, it's easy to be negative towards something, because I get a lot of, and this is another thing I want to talk about, guys. YouTube has filters on the comment section, so there's a lot of comments that you guys don't see that are filtered out by YouTube, and you'll be amazed at some of the things that people comment. And everybody, it's real easy to just say something negative about these cars. Like, for instance, one of my videos, one guy was like, they cost too much and they're just trash cars. I'm like, bro, have you ever even owned one of these cars? Have you even driven one? Have you rode in one? Because if for anybody who's ever driven one of these cars, rode in one of these cars, owned one of these cars, you wouldn't say stupid stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Now, they are overpriced, but they're not trash cars. They're trash cars when the wrong people own one. Well, I ain't gonna say own one. When the wrong people get their hands on one, then it's a trash car. But every single person that you see driving one of these cars does not participate in all that crazy negative stuff that you guys are so accustomed to seeing on YouTube. And these for all the people that just totally, their whole life existence is about the negativity surrounding these cars. It's like people get overly excited when they see something negative about a Charger. To be honest, guys, some people that bought these cars were under the impression that they were gonna flip them, or they really don't have any content to put out relating to these cars. And they resorting back to just talking negative about the dealerships and Stellantis because that's their only content. If that's what gets you views, then cool. But I find myself now falling back from those channels, even to some of the people that I really like. You know, I'm just like, you're just putting out the same stuff. Every video is the same thing over and over and over again. If you're just chasing views, you're gonna just keep putting out whatever gets you views. But I just want to let my subscribers know, guys, I'm gonna try to get back to making actual car content, and not just talking to you guys all the time. Even though y'all know I like to talk, and I like to talk to you guys, but I'm getting ready to actually start doing mods to my car. Like I told y'all in my last POV video, this car is way too quiet for me now. I'm either going to completely change out the mufflers, or first of all, I'm just going to do a muffler delete. I'm going to see how that goes, but I'm also thinking about completely changing out the full exhaust. At first, when I first bought this car, I told you guys that I wasn't going to do much to it and this and that and third, but forget all that, guys. I'm about to tear this car down. I actually had some fun with it. I'm going to change out the exhaust. That's going to be the first thing I do to it. And I want to do some exterior things to it to kind of make it my own. So I wanted to give, they go to damn, look at that Magnum. That joint like that. That joint like that. I wouldn't mind having a Magnum like that. And as a build, you know, bring it to the channel as a car I'm going to build on. They must be a part of a group, because they got the little, what they say, get the balls say. But I do want to bring a car to the channel to build on. Yeah, that Magnum like that. That's only nice, man. My car's super dirty. I can't even see through the daggone windshield. That thing's super nasty. I like that. That color combination is like that. That's what I'm talking about, man. Like, people can say what they want, man, but it's not like these Mopars, especially one like that. That's clean. It's an older one. You definitely look like he had it painted. That's what I want to do on my channel, guys. I want to bring a build to the channel. But anyway, guys, I'm on my way now to clean the car up. I appreciate y'all watching the video this far, man. I know it's real tempting to just skip through videos, man, but I hope you guys just stick around, because I try to throw some little gems in there here and there, guys, for the people who may you know, need a little encouragement. We all do, and sometimes you get that from people you really don't know. You just gotta have an open mind. So that's what I try to do, is to try to encourage you guys to strive for the things you want. Don't worry about what other people are doing, what other people are talking about, and try to get away from all this negativity around cars. Like, there's more to life than these cars. Dang, look at that. See, my man got a Ford and a Dodge over there. There's more to life than just these cars. It's real windy. Let me roll these windows up. I understand people putting out information about what to look for when buying a car and stuff like that. There's a way you put out videos that it shows that you're trying to help people out, but then there's also, you can tell when somebody's just feeding the algorithm and just doing videos because they know it's going to get views. You could tell the difference. And those are the things that I'm trying to stay away from, and I encourage my kids to stay away from, because there's a lot of people out here who just, all they want to do is chase money. And it's more to life than money. You need it to survive, of course, but there's other things out here that are very positive, and I encourage you guys to feed your brain positivity and feed your brain things that can help you out. Because if you're only feeding that kind of stuff into your brain, that's what's going to happen in your life. All the negative stuff is going to be happening. But if you feed positivity and manifest and always have a positive outlook on things, even when things are bad, you got to try to find something good. When you're down, just know you're not going to always be down, and everybody goes through it, but you got to just keep fighting. So that's why I talk about the things I talk about when it comes to these cars, because it's like, if that's all you're getting fed is, oh, these cars are trash and somebody's going to steal it and this and that, and that's what's going to happen, because you're bringing that energy towards yourself. Now, I'm not saying you don't listen to some stuff. Some videos you can listen to and you'll learn something and say, hey, I never thought about that, or I'll look for that. I'll see if this dealership tries to put this fee into it. But just the constant, you know, just feeding all that negative stuff that people want to hear just because they have nothing else to do, that's not how you want to live your life, guys. And it is amazing, because that's what gets a lot of views. That's what people want to hear then, I guess. I don't know. And a video like mine, people not gonna stay around so long and watch what I'm saying, because it's too positive. You know, people gravitate towards negativity. All right, guys, I told you I was ready to wash my car. So look how dirty this joint is. So we're gonna throw some water on it, clean it up real quick. My biggest problem is the brake dust. Look at my wheels, these joints is great, bro. The brake dust is serious, man. Look at that. So we're gonna get it together, man. We're gonna get it together. Alright, guys, so I'm finished washing and wiping it down. Still looking good, man. The sun done went down, but she's still shining.